Hey, I hope you're having a good week. Today, I'm jumping in to do a slightly different kind of video. Think of it like a vlog, except that I'm not going anywhere. I'm sitting in my studio and I'm recording this ad hoc video for you to give you an update on what's happening in my world and what fun and exciting things are coming your way. Now, my hair looks different. It's a little bit shorter, or a lot shorter in fact, but don't let that confuse you. That's because normally I pre-record the videos and I schedule them weeks ahead, but I didn't want you to wait 2 more months to actually get this information. So I'm jumping in right now to give you all of the fun goodies. If you're new here, I'm Tatiana Dennis. I'm here to teach you how to draw using the cute and simple style called Kawaii, and how to start a creative business using your newfound skill. So if you ever wanted to start making money with your art, even if you are a complete beginner, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of every new video I create. So let me give you the update. One of the very exciting things is that we are nearly wrapped up with the first term of the Kawaii Drawing Academy, my paid program for learning how to draw professional kawaii in your own style. And I am so excited about the results that my students are getting. One person, Christy, has even opened an Instagram account featuring her new characters, Baneb and Gary, and they are so much fun to look at. I highly encourage you to check it out. Another student, Francisca, has started creating a comic book using the characters that she has created in the course, and I can't wait to see what cute and fun adventures her cat and Ratita are going to have. And Cindy here is creating her print-on-demand empire with her kawaii kitty and all of the fun adventures that the kitty will have. So I am very, very happy and honored to share these drawing skills with you and to be part of your creative unfolding journey. Now, on a personal front, I am also thinking, so where to now? The course reopens again in 3 months. So right now I have some time to think about what do I want to do in my business and which way do I want to go. And for sure, I feel that I want to have a print-on-demand empire of my own. So I have recently connected with Anna Hartzog, who is a print-on-demand master, and she's been coaching me on how to be successful and actually make sales using print-on-demand, specifically merch by Amazon. So that's the route I am definitely taking right now. Now, for merch by Amazon, you have to get accepted. So you have to apply and get accepted. So I did. And I've read a bunch of blogs that tell you, how to actually get accepted. And I've heard of a lot of people who don't get accepted right away. So let me tell you exactly what I did. And seriously, it was the easiest application ever. And I got accepted in 7 days instead of 3 months. So here's exactly what I said in my application. My name is Tatiana Dennis. I create kawaii illustrations. And here's my website, literally. And I also sell on Redbubble. That was it. So 3 sentences and the application got accepted right away. Now why? I think because Merch by Amazon is specifically looking for people who will create original work instead of copying and reiterating on what's already there. So I wanted to share this with you because if that's something that's of interest to you and you want to monetize your drawings, your passion, your creative power that you have, then that's a pretty simple route to go. And that's what you say. I'm gonna create kawaii illustrations of my own. If you have a website, even if it's just a simple one-pager website, give them your website. And if you can be on other platforms like Redbubble, totally free, I think Merch by Amazon really likes to see that as well. So I hope this is really useful for you. And finally, I feel like I want to be sharing drawing skills with you and Procreate skills with you because Procreate is so suited for creating artwork for print on demand. So I want to be doing that on a slightly more regular basis than just a once a week video and a course that happens at a couple of times a year. I don't have all of the details yet, but I'm thinking in my mind of possibly some kind of a regular workshop that we do, or just some fun time that we have where I do guided drawing in Procreate and we're all doing it together over Zoom. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this quick update. Leave a comment below. Let me know what's happening in your world and what you think about these plans. And also be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.